Hi everyone, welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, May the 28th, 2020. In this additional of this newspaper, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So total of 6 Sudokus to solve. A lot of Sudokus, so why don't we start right on away? So let's get started. Alright, the first Sudoku, a Sudoku with 1 star. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And then, well, I continue with the other digit. I cannot continue with the 6, so 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. And then these 4 missing numbers in the last row, the missing numbers are the 2, the 1, the 4, and the 5. 1, 2, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 4, and 5. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1, the 2, I see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and the 5. How about the number? Let me see. Yes, in this second column, 4 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, the 3, the 4, and the 8. 2, 3, 4, and 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 goes there. The 2, 3, and the 2, 3, and the 4. 2, 3, and the 4 goes there. 2, 3, and the 4. I see here 2, so no 2 there. 2 goes here. The 3 and the 4. Okay, remember that? I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. But the other 3 numbers, the missing numbers in this big square, are the numbers 1, 9, and the 5. 1, 9, and the 5. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Here we have the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 as a pair. Alright. So we have here 1 and the 5. Yes, In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We have a 2 here. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2. No 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 3, 4, and the 1. Okay. And now yes, this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 3 boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here or could be there. In this row, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 5 over there. So in the middle row, the only place for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. The missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 1 and the 4 are left. 1 and the 4 are left in the middle row. That means in this big square, 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Eight in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the middle column. So in that column, the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5, 1 or 5. This should be a 1 and this should be a 5. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. I remember those 2 numbers in the last row for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes and there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 2 and 3. Nope, we have the 2 here. The 3 and the 9 are missing. The 3 and the 9. Can I fill this yet? No, I cannot fill this yet. I fill this box first because this box should be the 3. 1 missing number in this column, the 3. And now I can fill this. The missing numbers here, the 9 and the 3. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 6. 1 number left in this big square. For the number 5. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next, so in that column, the only place for the 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 6 and 9, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. And now 2 numbers left in this row. The numbers are the 3 and a 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 in the last column, and 3 in the column next. So that column, that only place for the 3 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 6 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in the second row? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square, for the numbers 2 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. The numbers are the 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4. Can I fill this yet? No. 2 and the 4, no. How about these 2? The 6 and the 5. No, we have a 6 here. Oh, double 6. Wow. Mistake. Oh. This number should be... What a mistake. Should be a 4. 4, 4, 4. This should be a 4. Wow. And the question is, because we have a 4 here, but it could be also there or there. Wow. I hope I... well, let's see. With another pencil. Because... these 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and a 6 is missing. We have a 5 here, so this should be the 5. This should be the 6. Here, 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 6 here, 6 there, so this should be the 6. And this should be the 2. 2 are left in this big square. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, because we have a 2 here and a 4 here. So far so good. So maybe only 1 mistake there. 1 missing number here. The number should be the 4. Yes. 1 missing number in this column, the 1. And the 2 is missing here. So 1 little mistake. Yes. 4, 2, 6, 5, 2, 1. 4, 2, and 6. Yes, in fact, 13 minutes. This was too quick to place the 6 there. 8, 3, 4. Yes. Alright. Correct. Thank you for watching. We will continue in a minute with the second Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you, and don't forget the thumbs ups if you like this Sudoku. Bye bye.